It was a quick stop, but it turned out to be surprisingly charming. It's the perfect town for a sweet little day trip. Like many trips we take, along with exploring a new city, we're going for the purpose of picking up something Kevin has found online and purchased. Often it's a car part or a home appliance, but this time we are picking up a brand new to us Porsche. Yeah, it's now super late and we're on the side of the interstate. Pretty scary.
The tire.
Dang, that thing blew.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, we've got an interesting design.
What a great start to the trip. It's about 1 a.m. by the time we get to our hotel, the Holiday Inn. It was so late and we stayed here for such a short time, I completely forgot to film anything on the inside. But it was nothing crazy, so here we are just back in the parking lot the next morning. We're getting some breakfast at this really strange McDonald's. I've never seen anything like it, part of a strip mall. With an indoor drive-thru. I've never seen a McDonald's like this.
That's really cool. Could have filled it up today.
Wow. I just got a regular coffee because I can handle it.
You're so tough.
I'm very tough. Oh, look at coming through a drive-thru. It's like a car wash. Now we're heading in these typical back roads to go pick up a part or a car or a boat.
Yep.
In the work truck. For me, the most boring part of the trip, but Kevin's excited for his new Porsche. And finally, they bring it out. All right, we can now head into town and start exploring. This small city used to be a major railroad hub. It's nestled right here in the heart of Virginia's Blue Ridge. It's the 10th largest city in Virginia and the largest in the western side of the state. We found some public parking that allowed for trailers. Lots of very narrow.
Yeah.
Spaces are very narrow here. This guy just got a new Porsche. And now let's walk around and explore. It looks like they have these nice built-in stands for vendors, which is cool. It's really cute. We've reached the Market Square Plaza and we're gonna grab some lunch here. My goodness.
You have something to do?
I have something to do.
Me too.
Yeah. We opted for the restaurant 202 Social, where we got a huge and delicious truffle flatbread and also a huge bacon feta burger. And we stop in the store right next door called Gift Niche. We have to find the obligatory New City magnet and grab a postcard. It's really cool they have these for markets, I guess. A block down the street is the Fu Plaza, which features a beautiful fountain and the national flags of Roanoke sister cities. And now we walk down towards the Mast General Store. We're just gonna stop in and do a little shopping. As you can see, they have a ton of old-fashioned candy. We'll get some, and I'm gonna tell you, not only was it old-fashioned, it was just straight up old and stale. Their clothes aren't quite my style or my budget. That makes me think of Todd Packer.
Should be
Now we're walking down back a block or two to get some ice cream from this little shop called Waffle Cone.
Good job.
Isn't that the stuff that...
Baklava?
Yeah. We got the blueberry cheesecake and raspberry chocolate chip flavors. Both were really good. And now we're heading back through the market square. We decided to stop in and check out the Co-op. Yes, come around and get some stuff. And before we leave, we'll of course stop at the classic Dr. Pepper sign that's been a part of the Roanoke skyline since the 40s. One thing that we unfortunately didn't stop in for was the iconic Roanoke star that's perched on a mountain overlooking the city. Okay, so we got candy buttons, taffy, 2 stickers were free. And cream savers. It's really German looking.
It is.
Oh, I was talking about that guy right here. And now we've wrapped up our lovely trip and we're back on the road.